Good afternoon, dear students. In the last class, we are discussing about the reaction with halogens. Okay, polarizing power also we are discussing. What is the polarizing power? The ability of a cation to polarize the nearby anion is called its polarizing power. And today I am going to discuss about the solubility in liquid ammonia. So these alkali metals, how they soluble in liquid ammonia. Solubility in liquid ammonia. Solubility in liquid ammonia. Okay, solubility in liquid ammonia. All alkali metals dissolve in liquid ammonia giving deep blue solutions. Okay, when alkali metals dissolve in liquid ammonia, it will be give the deep blue solutions which are conducting in nature. Okay, these solution contain ammoniated cations and ammoniated electrons. Okay, all alkali metals dissolve in liquid ammonia and give the blue color solutions which are conducting in nature. These solutions contain ammoniated cations and ammoniated electrons. All alkali metals dissolve in liquid ammonia. All alkali metals dissolved in liquid ammonia and giving deep blue solutions. Deep blue solutions. When alkali metals dissolved in ammonia, it will be give the deep blue solutions. These are which are conducting in nature. These solutions contain ammoniated cations and ammoniated electrons. This solution contains ammoniated cations and ammoniated electrons. Okay, the solution contains ammoniated cations and ammoniated electrons. For suppose metal, here M is equal to what? Any metal, any alkali metal is dipped into the X plus Y. Here M is equal to metal. When we are alkali metals dissolved in liquid ammonia, it will be give the deep blue color solution. Metal with liquid ammonia gives rise to MnH3, number of moles X plus E minus 1 NH3Y. Here these solution contain ammoniated electrons and ammoniated cations. Cation means positive charge. This is a ammoniated cation, M plus NH3X is a ammoniated cation, and next one is a ammoniated electron having the negative charge, minus. Okay, this is a ammoniated electrons. Okay, these solution contain ammoniated cations and ammoniated electrons. Okay, simply for the understanding of ammoniated cation and ammoniated electrons, I given this reaction. Okay, M is equal to metal and X plus Y means this is the number of moles. Okay, number of moles of liquid ammonia. Okay, so we are discussing about the solubility in liquid ammonia. So this is a NH3 ammonia, liquid ammonia. Okay, when alkali metals dissolved in liquid ammonia, it will be give the blue color. So the blue color of the solution is considered to be due to the ammoniated electrons which absorb energy corresponding to red region of visible light for their excitation to higher energy levels. Okay, when electrons in atom it will be excited with lower energy to higher energy. Okay, when it is absorb the energy from the lower energy to higher energy, and higher energy to lower energy also, electrons will be jump. Okay, in the visible region, they will absorb the energy corresponding to red region of visible light for their excitation to higher energy levels. The transmitted light thus imparts blue color to the solution. The electrical conductivity of the solution is due to the both ammoniated cations and ammoniated electrons. Due to the ammoniated cations and ammoniated electrons, they will conduct the electricity. The electrical conductivity of the solution is due to the ammoniated cations and ammoniated electrons. The blue solution on standing slowly liberates hydrogen, resulting in the formation of amide. From the blue color solution slowly liberates the hydrogen, then it will be resulting in the formation of amide will be formed. Okay, here next point, the blue color solution, blue color of the solution, the blue color of the solution is considered to the blue color of the solution is considered to be due to ammoniated electrons, which absorb energy corresponding to the red region, which absorb the energy corresponding to red region of visible light for their excitation to higher energy levels. The transmitted light thus imparts blue color to the solution. The electrical conductivity of the solution is due to the blue color of the solution is due to ammoniated electron which absorb energy corresponding to the red region of visible light for their excitation to higher energy levels. The transmitted light thus imparts blue color to the solution. Next, conductivity. The electrical conductivity of the solution is due to the both ammoniated cations and ammoniated electrons. The electrical conductivity of the electrical conductivity of the solution is due to both ammoniated cations and ammoniated electrons. Here one is the blue color of the solution and conductivity. The reasons we are explaining. Okay, we are discussing about the reason that when alkali metals are all dissolving in the ammonical liquid ammonia, it will be get the blue color. Okay, So why that metals are getting the blue color? Because of the blue color of the solution is considered to be due to ammoniated electrons. Due to the ammoniated electrons. Okay, ammoniated electrons is there, means why it is getting the blue color? That ammoniated electrons which absorb energy corresponding to red region of visible light for their excitation to higher energy levels. They are observing the energy from the red region of visible light for their excitation to the higher energy levels. The transmitted light thus imparts blue color. This transmitted light imparts the blue color to the solution. That is the reason of the blue color. And electrical conductivity reason is ammoniated cations and ammoniated electrons. Because of the ammoniated cations and ammoniated electrons, the solution shows the electrical conductivity. Okay, this is the two reasons. The blue solution on standing slowly liberates hydrogen, resulting in the formation of amide. Okay, the blue solution on standing slowly, it will be liberated the hydrogen, resulting it will be form the amide. Amide formula NH2, ammonia formula NH3. Next, the blue color. The blue solution on standing slowly, slowly liberates hydrogen, resulting in the formation of amide. Here we have to take the two metals in ammonia gives rise to NH2 amide. When it is liberated hydrogen gas, it will be form the amide NH2, and liberated gas is a hydrogen. Okay, so the blue solution on standing slowly liberates hydrogen. Here hydrogen is liberating, and amide will be formed. Okay, this is a metal and amide, so we can write the metal amide. Okay, so M is a metal, NH2 is a amide. At concentration above 3 above 3 molarity, the solutions. Okay, at concentration above 3, concentration is above 3 molar is there, means the solutions of alkali metals in liquid ammonia are copper bronze colored. At concentration above 3 molar, the solution of alkali metals in liquid ammonia are copper bronze. Generally first they are blue color. Okay, concentration increases means what happened? It will be copper bronze color. This solution contain clusters of metal ions and hence possess metallic luster. At concentration above 3 the solutions of alkali metals in liquid ammonia which color? Copper bronze color. Okay, here one more important point. The blue solutions are paramagnetic in nature. The blue solutions are paramagnetic in nature. whereas bronze colored solutions are diamagnetic. Okay, the blue solutions are paramagnetic, whereas bronze color solutions are diamagnetic. This is about the solubility in ammonia, alkaline metals soluble liquid ammonia. Okay, remain we can discuss in the next class.